Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a short biography of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. His parents were Abdullah and Amina. His titles were Al-Mustafa, the Chosen, Habibullah, beloved one of Allah, Sayyid Al-Mursaleen, the Master of Prophets, Al-Amin, the Trustworthy One. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Mecca on the 17th of Rabi'a Awal. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, died at the age of 63 years old on the 28th of Safar. The Prophet had one daughter called Bibi Fatima al-Zahra, peace be upon her, and he show respect by standing up whenever Lady Fatima, peace be upon him, entered the room. Did you know Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, father died before he was born, and his mother died when he was a very young child? Some of the Prophet's, peace be upon him, favorite food were olive oil, dates and pomegranates. When the Prophet spoke, he would smile and he was always first to greet others. The Prophet, peace be upon him, brushed his teeth twice a day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.